Mountain View families, this is Teacher Debbie coming to you from beautiful Kigali, Rwanda. It's amazing to think that even though you and I are so far away, we can still be connected in our own small corners of the world. One of the very cool things about living here in Rwanda is our close proximity to many excellent service-minded organizations. Within a 20-minute walk from here is the United Nations, and a 10-minute drive would get me to the World Vision Office of Rwanda. I know this because last Friday, Stu and I drove to the World Vision Office to find out about local community connections for our upcoming Dance-a-Thon. So we've just arrived at the World Vision head office here in Kigali, and I'm very excited to find out what connection possibilities there are for us for our Dance-a-Thon. Here I am inside with Gideon and Randy, who work in program development and resource mobilization. They were excited to hear about our Dance-a-Thon and eager to connect us with the project. They also told me about World Vision's past and current involvement in the lives of Rwandan children. World Vision began its work with Rwandan children in 1994, responding to the horrific aftermath of the genocide. They were able to provide love and care for over 100,000 displaced and orphaned children and work closely with the Rwandan government to integrate peace-building and reconciliation programs in communities across the country. By the year 2000, it was apparent that long-term planning was the solution to confront development challenges of hunger, poverty, disease, discrimination, abuse, and ignorance that Rwandan children were enduring on a daily basis. Since then, World Vision has not faltered in their commitment to the children of Rwanda and is currently active in 15 districts throughout the country. They've constructed 9 modern health centers and 19 hospitals, serving over 25,000 severely malnourished children and 34,000 with special needs through health and nutritional programs. They've laid hundreds of kilometers of underground water pipes and built over 200 water springs, providing communities with a close and safe water source. They've built 1,475 school latrines, constructed 1,048 school classrooms, provided 8,488 solar lights to public schools, and 15,000 desks to various schools throughout the country. They've given 93,838 livestock animals to families and communities and helped 3,274 vulnerable households by providing biogas stoves. Through World Vision's Saving and Lending Associations, 30,000 Rwandan members have been able to save 213,685,750 Rwandan francs since the year 2000. Now those are some big accomplishments, but World Vision is still going strong. They are currently working closely with the Rwandan government on an initiative called Vision 2020, which would see Rwanda become a middle-income country by the year 2020. A big focus of Vision 2020 is in the area of market-led agriculture, where World Vision works closely with farmers to build village savings and loans groups. These groups graduate into producer groups, which eventually become commercial villages. Commercial villages are able to leverage their high-value cash crops as income to take care of basic community needs, such as health insurance and school fees for the village kids. Pig farming is a fantastic example of market-led agriculture that's currently transforming many poor villages in Rwanda. During our conversation, Gideon and Randy let me know of a small village about an hour's drive outside of Kigali, where they're hoping to establish a new commercial village centered around raising pigs. We all got excited by the prospect that a little group of preschoolers from a small corner across the world could actually kickstart the transformation of an entire community. And that, Mountain View families, is how we landed on our Dance-a-Thon theme. We're calling it Jigs for Pigs. Today, your child will bring home a piggy pledge form, and with your help, they'll collect as many piggy pledges as possible. Our goal is to raise $8,000, which will be transferred directly to Gideon and Randy at the World Vision office in Rwanda. World Vision has agreed to absorb all overhead costs, so 100% of your donations will go towards buying pigs, building a piggery, and helping the community establish themselves as a commercial village. Now, here's the best part. Because I'm just an hour's drive away from the village, I'll be able to visit, take pictures and videos, and report back to you on the whole piggy progress. Thanks in advance for your participation and generous donations. Happy pigging!